In this video, we will show how to strip light self-supporting cable manufactured by incab. Cable preparation should be done by properly trained and certified personnel using dedicated tools. Mechanical impact during preparation should not exceed the maximum acceptable values for this cable type. You may get detailed instructions on our company websites. Prior to cable preparation, read the installation guide for the splice closure, distribution frame, or other device that will be used for cable splicing or termination. Light self-supporting cable is used on power lines up to 35 kV for intra-city communications with distances between towers up to 200 meters. These cables have a wide range of operating temperatures. They can be installed at temperatures as low as -30 degrees. Let's take a look at the cable design. A fiberglass bar in the middle of cable is a central strength member, around which optical tubes filled with water-soluble gel are stranded. Optical tubes are covered with water-blocking yarns that provide protection from moisture. The next layer is either Aramid yarn or fiberglass, which act as the main strength member and provide the required tensile strength. These are covered by the outer polymer jacket. To prepare the light self-supporting cable for splicing or termination, we will need a tape measure to measure the cable length to be stripped, alcohol-based maker well visible on the cable jacket, or insulating tape to mark the stripping location, Cabifix stripper to remove the outer jacket, wire stripping pliers to remove the jacket, central strength member, and cords, Aramid yarn cutters, a utility knife to remove water-blocking yarns, D-gel, a dedicated liquid to remove water-soluble gel, a stripper to remove 0.6 to 2.6 millimeter jacket and open the optical tubes, isopropyl alcohol to clean optical fiber. Yvonne, our installation engineer, will show how to strip the light self-supporting cable. Let's get started. Fix the cable in the clamp. The length of the cable to be stripped should be 2.5 meters. That will provide the fiber length required for installation of the splice closure. Measure 2.5 meters of the cable length and mark the location of the vertical cut on the outer jacket of the cable. Cut the outer jacket of the cable using Cabifix stripper. First, adjust the blade using a screwdriver. The blade should cut the entire thickness of the outer jacket, but should not damage other cable elements. Check the blade on the cable end. If necessary, adjust again. Cut the cable vertically along the mark. Make sure that the knife cuts a complete round circle on the cable jacket. Make a longitudinal cut from the vertical cut to the end of the cable. Then make the same cut on the opposite side. Use pliers to remove the outer jacket, starting from the cable end. The jacket should stick to the fiberglass. This is a normal design feature of the cable. It may complicate cable stripping, but is critical for reliable cable operation. Because the tension from the dead-end clamps should be transferred to the reinforcement yarn through cable jacket, which will ensure the required tensile strength. Cut the fiberglass using dedicated cutters. Under the reinforcement yarn, there are optical tubes sealed with water-blocking yarns. The water-blocking yarns should be cut. It is recommended to do that along the cord, not to damage the optical tube with the knife. Remove the water-blocking yarns. Unstrand the optical tubes. Remove the cords using wire stripping pliers. Cut the central strength member, leaving enough length to fit the cable in the splice closure or distribution frame. Optical tubes are usually opened when the cable is already inserted into the splice closure. Use a dedicated stripper to open the optical tubes. Select a suitable hole diameter and check at the end of a tube. cut each tube. Remove the jacketing, simultaneously cleaning the fiber from water-soluble gel with a wipe. It is recommended to perform this operation by sections of 20 to 30 centimeters. Use D-gel to remove the rest of the water-soluble gel. Finally, clean the fibers with a FiberGlass alcohol wipe. Preparation of the InAir ADSS light cable from incab is now complete.